Maratha Kota activist Manoj Jarange Patil has begun his hunger strike while participating in a rally in Mumbai. The activist said that he will die but won't back down this time and will not leave Mumbai till the time his demands are met. The Mumbai police has allowed Patil to conduct the agitation for only one day, with a cap on the number of people allowed to gather for the agitation as well. And the cap is set at over 5,000 people. It cannot extend over 5,000 people who can gather till around 6 p.m. today. Jarange Patil has also questioned the time period of the one-day fast and has declared to hold an indefinite hunger strike at Azad Maidan until his demands are fulfilled. Remember, Jarange Patil has been time and again reiterating the Maratha Kota demand and is one of the major activists as far as this sentiment is concerned. Now, he says that he has conducted hunger strikes earlier as well. This time, he says that he will not give up. This is an indefinite fast, is what he said. My colleague Sujata joins us with more details. Sujata, take us to the latest. Jarange Patil on another hunger strike. This time, he's just been given a day and a cap of the number of people who can attend his agitation as well.
Well, absolutely. And we know that Manoj Jarange Patil has been a part of several such statewide hunger strikes protests before as well. But this time, this is different because, earlier in his protest, he had always warned of carrying one in Mumbai. And this time, he is in Mumbai at the Azad Maidan, which is a place where several such huge protests had taken place. But what is different here is the crowd that he has come with. Like you see, the entire road which is outside the CSMT station and right next to the BMC head office, this entire area has been completely occupied by these Maratha protesters. And on the back you see that the traffic has become worse and traffic disruptions such can be seen across South Mumbai, where all of these protesters are coming in great numbers and they are sloganeering and demanding the 10% reservation in the OBC category. That is one of their demands. And Manoj Jarange Patil yesterday had said that the government is well aware of all the demands that they have and they are going to wait here without disrupting any service and without ensuring that Mumbaikars and Mumbai police are not bothered by them, and they will still continue to demand their reservation and they will not return back unless and until they don't get it. And Manoj Jarange Patil at present is inside the Azad Maidan, whereas people here are dancing and wiggling with placards of Manoj Jarange Patil as well as their heroes. And this is going to continue today as well because a one more day permission has been granted to them by the Mumbai police to carry out this protest here at Azad Maidan. Back to you.